We had a bit of a hiccup. So today is our last day on this island until June, and it's mid-August. It's mid-April, and we come back June 1st. And all of our laundry, mainly all of Maddie's clothes, are inside this place, which is supposed to be open today, which is Friday, but today's Good Friday, so they're closed. And we're going. We have to figure out if we can coordinate with a friend to come pick up our laundry sometime before June 1st, because that's like 2 months away. And we're leaving to San Miguel, so we're gonna have to get more clothes in a different island.
Bye, Wisdom. See you in June. So we brought Mom to Queijo Vaquinha, which is a little cheese factory on the island, because we love cheese in our family, and
in case you didn't know.
Yeah, and it's very important that we come here.
Can't eat a meal without first getting an Instagram picture.
Well, it says Queijo Vaquinha on it.
Yes.
Yes.
Now we get to eat wine and cheese. And then hop on a plane.
It's Good Friday, so this must be a tradition on Good Friday. It's very solemn, very quiet. Alright, we're in the airport headed to Sao Miguel. Very exciting. I've been waiting for this moment a long time. And in front of us is a soccer team. It's pretty obvious. Okay, we're here, we made it. We're in Ponte Delgada on Sao Miguel Island, and we are headed to our hotel. Our first hotel is called the Azorean Urban Lodge. Wow! Maddie! How cool.
This is fine. There we are. So cool.
Fun is this?
Very. And the kitchen and pool.
This is so great. Oh my gosh!
Oh, and then these are our designated drawers.
What the heck?
So we get the bottom drawer.
Oh, we have little lip drawers.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Cute.
Apparently, we are the Islander girls. Obrigada. Shall we go outside?
We're staying here. So. Oh, Mom.
Oh.
There will be better pictures than this, but gotta do it. Oh wow, look at this. This is wonderful. Oh, I love it.
So what are your thoughts?
It is so cool.
Alright, we are all settled in. Now we're heading out. We're gonna go get some dinner.
We would go to the right.
Found this really quaint little restaurant, and they were open at this late hour on Good Friday, so we're getting dinner. And I just realized it's Good Friday, we should have probably gotten fish. So I got beef stew, she got ribs, and she got fried chicken.
But it's also Passover. This is our Passover dinner.
Yeah, we have bread.
Take the bread away.
Pass the bread over.
And I'm having pork ribs.
Yep. Doo-doo-doo.
That didn't happen.
No, it was bad of us. Oh well.
I think that better not make the video.
Can we have some parsley and salt water? Excellent. It's wonderful. I got the ribs.
I got this really flavorful chicken.
Fried chicken, right?
It's fried chicken. It has kind of a peppery sauce to it. It's delicious. Along with the rice and the fries. They come with every meal.
Then I got something that I didn't know they made in Portugal. So it's carne guisada. When I was a kid, and actually still now, when my mom asked me what I want for my birthday dinner, it's this. And it's really good.
Oh.
Good morning, Maddie. Any thoughts?
It's absolutely incredible. It's beautiful. I've been seeing this in photos on Google for so long, but it's just, you can't capture it in a picture. It's so beautiful.
But a video helps.
That town is where we're headed to. Right now, we're headed to the town of Sete Cidades. It's the one that's right down in the caldera with the lakes, and we just got an incredible view of it. We're really excited to go down and see it up close. There's our turnoff.
Getting ready for Easter.
Mom, that might be a spoonbill.
Oh, I'ma put on my glasses. Nope, spoonbill. Cool.
Shame back and forth through all those years, but finally we both are free. I throw my baggage overboard and let it go. I cut the cord. You're all that I've been waiting for, so let's go. Are you in or are you not? I won't block the door, but tick-tock, if you are gonna take a shot, then come.
Today is a day of viewpoints, so we're headed up this short walk to another viewpoint.
Headed to a place called Boca do Inferno, which literally means mouth from hell. That's a view.
Calm before the storm, gold and diamond, jewels behind the throne, into the night, out of the dark, take to the sky, chasing the stars, all that we said, all that we are, waiting to fly. This is the start. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine, euphoria. Hide and seek, reason and rhyme, grand and glorious. Living the dream, yours and mine, euphoria. Stone and feather, move outside your head. Now or never, strong in every step. Give me a sign, hitting the mark. Take to the sky, chasing the stars. Open your eyes, watching afar, waiting to fly. This is the start.
I just
this-
can't get enough.
This view, it's just absolutely breathtaking. Boca de Inferno. Come there, because I don't see the mouth part from hell. It looks very beautiful to me, if you ask me. But absolutely, must see. You have to come see this. Any thoughts?
I just, you know, just can't express how beautiful it is. There just aren't words. So that makes this part very difficult.
All right, well, here's an easy thing, or an easier question. This is amazing. We're now leaving, which is a crazy thing to leave something amazing behind. But where are we going next?
I don't know.
And that's how we travel.
Oh, these are the jacuzzis or hot tubs, and up top there is a pool.
Let's go into this warm sludge.
Oh,
this
feel
is-
it. It's like we're on a hunt for undies.
Sorry, do you have any change, please?
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And if you'd like to follow our journey in real time on a map, receive postcards from our ports of call, and message us directly to the boat, you can go ahead and become a patron using the link in the description down below.